Thank you for checking out SK Lifestyle. Of course, we're going to go over really quickly how to reset the maintenance light in your Generation 1 Highlander. So let's do it. First, we're going to take our key. You put your key to the on position, but don't turn the car on. All right, so we have all our lights on. It's dinging. You can see the maintenance lights on. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna press our odometer button, and we're gonna press it until it gets to the overall mileage. 151,490 is what I have. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and hold it, turn off the car, and then turn it back on. Keep holding it. And there you go. The maintenance light went away. And it is that simple. All right, and that's it. I hope you appreciate how quick this video was, how quick and easy it is to reset the maintenance light on your Toyota Highlander. If you appreciate it, hit that like button, share it with everybody you know, and hit that subscribe button down below. I appreciate you all watching. See you next time. SK Lifestyle.